Here at Etail, we work with a number of merchants who are fulfilling their sales orders using a number of different fulfillment methods. Methods that include cross-docking, drop shipping, fulfillment by Amazon, and finally pick, pack, and ship. The pick, pack, and ship method specifically refers to inventory that you've purchased and hold in your warehouse and that you will use to fulfill sales orders from any number of sales channels. So let's take a look at how Etail has streamlined the pick, pack, and ship process. So when an order comes into the Etail system, it's assigned a hold code. Now a hold code indicates the next logical step in the fulfillment process. In our case, when we're picking from stock, that hold code would be pick. So looking at the screen, we can see that we're filtered to open orders, and we want to then filter down another level to just the orders that we want to pick. So if we look at the items that need to be picked, we can then select a group of orders or we can select them all. So let's take a group of orders here. So in this instance, you're essentially taking these orders and you're going to issue them to someone to go out to the warehouse and pick them for the sales orders that have come in. So once you've selected your orders, you can come in here and do what's called shipping label batches. Now shipping label batches is a unique feature that Etail offers in that it will allow you to divide up the work among multiple people. You can issue it all to one person or you can break it up. So in this case, what you see here is we have 13 orders that we need to ship. Now we can select how many batches we would like to ship them in. So for our purposes here, let's say that we want to do 2. So we're going to issue 2 unique pick tickets to 2 people. So let's go ahead and then select where we want to print them to and the report that we want to print. Now the printer and the report indicate where the reports are going, so let's go ahead and create these batches. And what the system is doing here is it's taking the items that we've selected and it's creating a pick ticket for those items. We're able to save them. Now the other thing to mention too, if we look at the shipping label batch screen again, the print shipping labels immediately will also give you, the merchant, the ability to print the shipping labels along with the pick ticket, meaning you're essentially saying that I'm going to ship these items right now. Now for our purpose and in our example here, we didn't check that, which means that we're going to issue the work, the pickers will come back, and then at that point we would create those shipping labels. So moving on here now, if we look at these items, we can see that they now have what's called a batch number associated with those orders. Now that batch number will allow you to come back at a later time and fulfill just that specific batch. What the batch looks like, what the bulk pick ticket looks like, is what you see on the screen here. So we have an order count, the number of orders that need to be picked. We have the item number displayed in a barcode. We have the items that need to be picked and the quantity that need to be picked on them. Now you see 2 different pick tickets here. That's because these are 2 unique work reports for 2 separate people to go get. Now looking back here, the next step in the process would be to physically ship those items. And in order to do that, you simply select the batch or batches. You could do 1 or more that you wish to ship, and you do your single shipping label. When you click single shipping label, that will then connect to your shipping software. It will rate shop, it'll find you your lowest price and print out your shipping labels. Once those shipping labels are printed, we will return the tracking information and put it into our software and upload it to whatever sales channel you're fulfilling that order from. Easy, simple integration, multiple sales channels that you can fulfill orders to in a very streamlined fashion that allows you to modify the system and tweak it based on what exactly you're doing. So you're just picking with one person, that's great. You can print just one pick list. Say you have 5 or 10 people even. Etail will allow you to streamline that process by doing multiple different batches of pick tickets and then very easy, simple order fulfillment. If this is something you're doing, if you're doing pick, pack, and ship, and you're looking to simplify your process and streamline and become more efficient, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.